Melissa. I work in the assembly department here at Staub. Our assembly capabilities use a combination of our experienced staff and various systems to constantly improve our custom processes. Having assembly in-house eliminates the need for outsourcing, reduces costs and labor, increases speed, and can deliver consistent, repeatable results. By not outsourcing to a third party, customers benefit from strong communication, which reduces errors between the customer, the manufacturer, and the assembly provider. So it is a huge advantage to have it in-house. Another service we offer in our assembly department is manufacturing customer parts using threaded metal inserts. These helicoils inserted into metal components feature ribbed walls, giving them greater strength and durability when bearing a load. These inserts can be used at any point during production, even after coating or painting. At Staub, we have used our manufacturing expertise to create an installation process for threaded inserts in metal parts that takes a fraction of the time as methods used by other manufacturers.